Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the part 1 of the 2 videos I'm going to be showing you guys. In this video, I'm going to be transforming my old black wig to my desired color. This is my black old wig that I'm going to be using to demonstrate to you. I'm tired of this look and I want to change it from black to 360 black sherry. So if you want to see how I will achieve this look, keep watching. Now I'm removing the hair from the wig cap so I can get ready to bleach my hair and apply the color. So this is what I'm trying to achieve, but because I can achieve this color without bleaching my black hair to a brown or dark brown, what I'm going to do, I'm going to follow up the instructions. If your hair is brown and you apply this color, this is what you're going to get down here. And if your hair is dark brown and you apply this color, this is what you're going to get. And if your hair is darkest brown and you apply the color, this is what you're going to get. So I'm going to bleach up my black hair by using 30 volume developer and a bleach powder to bleach my hair for me to be able to achieve my desired color, which is 360 black sherry. So if you want to see how I will achieve this look, guys, keep watching. So now I'm ready to bleach my hair and I'm using the bleach powder and 30 volume developer. When doing this, guys, make sure to have experience. Make sure you have experience on how to change color or bleach hair before you can use this. If you must do it, you can take it to a stylist to help you out, if that makes sense. And make sure to mix it very well. Mix it until it's clear. After mixing your product, this is how it should look. You don't make it too runny, okay? So when applying the bleach to your hair, always make sure to wear a dark clothes so you don't get stained. Apply the bleach to the both side of the hair and massage it in. Leave it for 35 minutes before washing it out. So guys, you can always be creative with your old wigs by changing the look, changing the color or the style. You don't have to throw your good wigs or expensive wigs away, okay? So you can give it a try and leave me your comments. Let me know how it goes. Yeah?
Keep the good sound.
So now it's 35 minutes and I'm going to wash it out. This is the hair after bleaching it. You can just apply a color to a black hair. All you need to do, you need to use your 30 volume or 20 volume developer and a bleach powder to bleach your hair from black to brown. So now that the hair is bleached, you can now apply your color to the hair. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal casting cream gloves, and this is what we have inside. We have one developer, as you can see very well, one developer. We have one conditioner. Have one color, and we have some gloves. So I'm going to mix the color into the developer and apply to my hair. So now I'm going to be applying the color to the bleach hair. When applying the color, make sure to apply it to the both side of the hair. Massage it in and leave it in for 25 minutes and you can wash it out. applying the color to the hair and massaging in the color, and I'll wrap it up for 25 minutes and I'll come back for you guys, okay? Now it's 25 minutes and I'm washing out the color and apply the conditioner. Now I'm applying my conditioner to the hair and I will let you guys see the final result, okay? This is my final result, guys. This is my color and I love this color. Watch out for part 2 of this video where I'm going to be using this hair to make a short wig, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.
Behind it.